Hello, beautiful people. Look at Poy Poy is doing
Hello.
harvest.
Welcome to my harvest time.
Yeah, this is his vlog harvest the orange in the garden.
Then put it here.
Ooh.
See?
Yes, you should bring plastic bag. Oh my God, Mom.
Should be this way. Oh, must say.
OMG. What is that?
Oh, some are ugly na.
Kabayong bundat.
What you talking about, babe?
Look at that. Oh my God. You threw the orange to the basket. Oh my gosh. Yes.
Hi everyone. Welcome to JDMG Vlog. I'm harvesting the orange now and look at this. This is the fruit of this tree. This is in our backyard. A small one, but when you cut it into four, it looks
So sweet.
yum and a juicy one. We will show you later, guys. Ay, ano po, matigas ang mga sanga. Matigas ang
It's
sanga.
hard.
You know,
Wait,
it's
wait.
really hard to cut off the stem. Yung sanga po, ang hirap. Ang hirap na putulin. Kasi masyado siya matigas. Yay! Kambal! Two! Woohoo!
It's a beautiful day. La la la.
So exciting, you know, when you harvest fruits in your trees. So exciting. Look at this, guys. I'm sweating now, you know. Maganda po yan. Pinagpapawisan kasi malamig ngayon dito. Oh, naubos ko na yung isang part na may mga fruits. Now, oh, there's a big one there. Look. There's a big one. Oh, here. Jane should harvest this one now. Otherwise, becomes ano na. I'm doing this at work kasi nanghinit sila.
Mag-ingat ka mag-ano dyan. Baka biglang matumbay ang ano.
No, it's not.
Uy.
You hold it. See? Yay! Now, I have to transfer there. Kasi dito po, masyado lang. Yan, dito. I have to bring the ladder here. Kasi hindi siya masyadong mataas. Yan. Make the ladder balance, guys. See? See? Then, dito dito. Yan. Ano po? That's alright, babe. Oh, nabubulok na, babe, oh. Yung mga tama na po yung iba. Look. Look at the fruit. Is it big?
Yeah.
It's big. See? Sa isa lang. Kasi para hindi siya mabugbog ng todo. Mamaya hindi siya maganda. Thank you for watching this vlog, guys. It's a harvest time. Harvest time of our orange tree. Ganyan po dito sa Australia. If you had may puno ka ng orange in winter time, it's harvest time. This is a pure organic one. No fertilizer, guys. No pesticide. all organic. Okay, have to go up some points. Ooh, this one nice. Look. Look guys. Wala ka dyan! Nagbablog ako. Nagbablog ako.
Birthday pala ni Aay ngayon. Sabi niya sa akin, what you plan today, Ay? Diyan na, my birthday today. Oh my God! I totally, David's favorite. Bigyan ko ng 50.
Good. Good. Mag-lunch kami, Lok.
Oh my God! Why so dami?
Look, you have to harvest this kasi nabubulok na, oh.
O, di, harvestin na natin.
No, aalis kami.
Well, mamaya pa man.
Hindi, 11 o'clock.
O, di, bukas na. Harvest
Yeah,
tayo.
tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Walang
Harvestin
istorbo.
natin lahat.
Yeah. How many minutes your ano na bed?
6.
It's alright.
Oh my God. Where's my Robin? What?
Robin? Janice
Coming
home.
soon.
Coming soon. Hey, babe. Okay, give me my vlog. Okay, guys. Medyo marami
Ay,
na po akong
banana.
na-harvest. No. Oh, there's a fruit of banana. I didn't see that. Did you see, guys, how we harvest this orange? We just use the scissor. But the thing is, the stem is too hard. Yung sanga, medyo maano na po ang sanga. Ano nga tawag dito? Yung sanga matigas. Hard. The stem is too hard. That's why even I cut it using the scissor. Still, it hurts my finger. Look. But anyway, I'm happy to harvest this orange fruit because the sun is so nice. I need the sun because when I did a blood chem, my GP said I'm a bit low of vitamin D. That's why I have to catch up some sun. Okay, I show you guys the banana. Look! Look guys! Nakikita nyo po ba yan? Merong bunga ng banana. This is our banana tree. Nakakatuwa di po ba? At I don't know. Maybe Jean and I will harvest this orange tomorrow. And I got some already. Look. I bring this to Kabayan Presi, Leslie. I say she asked for it. Kaya dadalhan ko po siya. Okay, God bless you all guys and have a blessed Saturday. We will have our lunch for today guys. Kasi birthday ni RR. Okay, this is my kumquat. Did you see the kumquat guys? Have you seen the kumquat? Sorry guys, because I'm just using phone. These are the kumquats that I harvest this morning for Jess and for everyone. Okay. Have a blessed Saturday guys. Tomorrow we will harvest the mandarin. God bless you all. Hasta la bis. We still have more here. Look, dami pa. Ito naman yung na-harvest ko this morning. God bless you all. Bye. Thank you for watching and liking my vlog. Subscribe. I'm very grateful if you subscribe, guys. God bless.